Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the question answers of the poem Bird's Bath. Answer these questions. Number 1. Where did the robins take a bath? The answer is the robins took a bath in the pretty little pool in the garden. Second question. Why did the poet call the pool pretty? Answer to this is the poet called the pool pretty because it was lined with pebbles that were neatly laid and was filled with clean and cool water. Question number 3. When did the robins come to the pool? Answer. The robins come to the pool when the sun shines high up in the sky, when it is very hot. Question number 4. What did the robins do in the pool? Answer. The robins drink the clean and cool water of the pool. The last question, question number 5. How do you know that the robins felt happy after playing in the pool? The answer to this is, we know that the robins felt happy after playing in the pool because they sing sweetly in delight.